said that anyone who gives you a cinnamon roll fresh out of the oven is a friend for life. Good morning to my green buddies. Here's a very common spice, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice obtained from the inner bark of the cinnamon tree. It is a small evergreen tree with aromatic bark. It is used mainly as an aromatic condiment and flavoring additive in a wide variety of cuisines, sweet and savory dishes, breakfast cereals, snack foods, teas and traditional foods. Being a relatively hardy plant, it is suitable for a variety of climatic conditions. It requires a wet climate which is warm but not too hot. It can grow in a variety of soils, but well-drained, loamy soil that is rich in organic matter is best. Cinnamon is one of the oldest spices. Strips of the inner bark are dried until they curl into rolls known as cinnamon sticks or quills. These can then be ground into powder or made into an extract. There are two main classes of cinnamon, Ceylon and Cassia. Cassia cinnamon is the most common variety. It has a stronger flavor than Ceylon. Ceylon or true cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka and southern India. Ceylon cinnamon is a high quality, highly priced spice with a milder flavor. However, eating too much of Cassia cinnamon may cause health problems as well. Cinnamon has many health benefits. It controls blood sugar and has antioxidants. Better quality cinnamon is usually fragile. It has uses in traditional medicine as well. Cinnamon propagates well through stem cuttings. It is a versatile spice to have in your garden. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Please follow, like and share our posts using the icons below. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and keep joining us for more to follow.